A little over 4 years ago, our family began to experience what you would normally see in movies. When I looked at Audrey on our last day, I told her that there would never be a day that I would not take care of our children as if she were here. And I'll never forget the day of the funeral. I had both my girls. I was holding their hands. And then there was this man who whispered in my ear. And I turned around, and it was the rabbi talking to me and telling me how to approach the next few minutes. And it was like some inner strength from that point on that allowed me to get through, which was probably the worst experience of my life.
The Rebbe sent us here to be here for people, for whatever they need. In this case, he needed a friend, he needed guidance.
And from that point on, the rabbi started to come to my home every Friday, right before Shabbos. And he would bring with him a challah and a smile. And he would sit and he would talk to my daughters.
And after we got to know each other, I once invited him Friday night to come here with the girls and to spend the Friday night eating here.
But once I told the rabbi we'd come, I waited a full week to tell my daughters. They looked at me like I had 4 heads.
So when he told us, I know I was shocked. I didn't even know what to think.
What do we wear? How do we act?
We were nervous at first. We didn't know any of the family other than the rabbi.
We don't know Orthodox. What are we supposed to do?
At first everything was fine. We were a little bit weirded out that we were separated from our dad downstairs.
And they went to their side and I went to my side. And within seconds, I get the biggest smile from the rabbi. He yells over the partition to another woman who's sitting in the shul to please take the girls upstairs.
But then when we were brought upstairs, I was like, oh no, what are we doing and what do we do, you know?
And I can't wait to get upstairs because I want so desperately to see my daughters. And something just unnatural happened. I started to walk up the steps and I heard laughter. Not just any laughter, full out happiness.
And we came up and there were 10 kids, almost 10, a couple of them were away, but 7, 8 kids around our age, girls, we just instantly hit it off.
Almost instantly were we able to laugh again with this family.
The bond between my daughters and their girls was a very, very strong bond, and it gave them strength. It really gave them strength because they were broken. They were really broken. And this created a miracle. The fact that we went beyond our own comfort zone to bring them in and make them feel as part of our family gave them the miracle that they were able to go beyond their comfort zone and really grow. They really grew from this experience. The girls grew, Jeff grew, and I think it was something that's a great tribute to his wife.
I think about Audrey daily, and I wonder, what would Audrey say about Chabad? What would Audrey say about this experience? Audrey had the same unconditional love that I have witnessed from this family. And I know that there isn't a day that goes by that Audrey is in the back of my ear telling me, keep going forward. Embrace all of these values. Take care of our daughters as if I were there, and be happy.